kwe ne oganda duto.
Jatend migepe Musalia Mudavadi osingo ni medo lemo jotije piny owacho ibiro mana tim kaluore kod tijegi mabeyo. Kotayo nyasi mar sidho rowere 51 mane tiegore kaka jotelo e piny owacho, Mudavadi owacho ni tich matek kod maler omiyo puo kimedo gi lemo. Omedo jorowere kokalo e chenrono mar tiegruok mar wako jomatindo e tiyo e sirikal mondo kaw thuolo mar jogo madhi rutaya.
I congratulate both the graduating class and the incoming fellows. I am a Quaker by faith, so I'll ask you one question. Can Kenya count on your leadership and strong commitment to work in the public service and make this country a better place for all? Thank you for that affirmation, and may God guide you all.
The vision of this program, sir, was premised on the understanding that our public service transformation would only succeed with ethical and professional civil servants. The recruitment of the fellows in this program was highly competitive.
To whom much is given, much is expected. A lot is expected from us. Therefore, I implore each one of you to maintain focus on being the kind of leaders